Okay, good morning, students. So we are live now. After so many days, this is the first live class of December. Today, in this class, we will be discussing about the 15th chapter of class 8, that is Introduction to Graphs. Okay, now in this chapter, 15.1, I will be discussing for this video. So, first of all, this video is related to data handling of your class 6 and class 7. Remember data handling? It is just same as that one only, and data handling you have done in class 8 also. So it is related to that chapter only, in which we draw a lot of graphs. Okay, today the setup is like this because I want to show graphs of this chapter. And so coming to the first question, I'll just briefly do this first question. This question is not you know not to be done on the board or something. I'm just quickly doing this question. Please be attentive. So they want us to know how to see a graph, how to read a graph. Okay, so a graph is given and they are asking some questions about this graph and we need to answer that. So what was the patient's temperature at 1 p.m.? So we need to check 1 p.m. Where is 1 p.m.? This is 1 p.m., right? So this is 1 p.m. I hope everything is visible. This video and audio, everything is clear. Please comment, students. So this 1 p.m. they want us to know what is the temperature. So this 1 p.m. resembles the temperature of in between 36 to 37. So it will be 36.5. Understood? This will be 36.5. So in the answer you will just write 36.5, like question number 1A, that is 36.5, something like that. Just you have to answer this one. Okay, next they are asking when was the patient's temperature? 38.5. So first of all, find 38.5 in the y-axis. So first of all, you should know that this is called y-axis and this is called x-axis. Okay, and this thing here, it is called zagged line, or we can say kink. Okay, this is called kink or jagged line. So this is called kink or jagged line. Okay, jagged line is given in a book in the data handling chapter. So jagged line or kink resembles that the difference in the interval, all the difference should be always equal first of all, but the first difference, because this is 0, right? The x-axis and y-axis always meet at 0. Sorry, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. So x-axis and y-axis always meet at 0. So from 0 to 34, the difference is very high, but after that there is 1 temperature, 1 degree Celsius difference. Understood? So this 38.5 is here. We need to check which time represents 38.5. So this is 38.5 and the time would be what? The time is 12 noon. Okay, understood? So similarly, we can do all the questions. Now I will ask you the question. Please comment on the comment section. Be ready for typing the answers. Okay. So the first, second C part of the first question is the patient's temperature was the same in during 2 time period. So what are this time period? So this is same. The patient's temperature is same here. So what is the time period? Yes, you can look at the book and say this is 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. By the way, is the video quality okay? I mean, is the book visible? Can you read the book from the video? Yes, 1 to 2 p.m. Correct. Now, in the next question, next part, they are saying what was the temperature at 1:30 p.m.? How did you arrive with the answer? 1:30 p.m. Where is 1:30 p.m.? This is 1:30 p.m., right? So since from 1 to 2 p.m. there is no change in temperature, so we can say that at 1:30 p.m. there was no change in temperature. So the temperature was 36.5 only. Understood? So that's how we came to the answer. Okay, we arrived to the answer. Yeah, actually, I also think so. I don't know why it is happening. Internet is okay, camera is okay, but still video quality is somewhat not clear. Maybe it's because of the focus or something. Okay, so question number E part: during which periods did the patient's temperature showed upward trend? So of course, this period is very the patient temperature is varying upward, right? So this will be 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. The rise in temperature is directly 36, 37, 38, 2.5 degrees Celsius. Rise is 2.5 degrees Celsius. Okay, you don't have to mention that. It's just that we can say that from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. the temperature have an upward trend. Understood? Understood, everyone? Yes. Okay. So now the following another graph is given in the next question. Another graph is given. They are asking what is the sale. Now I'll move fastly. Okay, you understood the concept, I guess. So just answer me. What were the sale in 2002 and 2006? 2002 और 2006 में सेल क्या है? 2002 में सेल है 4 crore. Yes, sale is 4 crore. This is crores, so 4 crore rupees 2002, and 2006 में कितना है? This is 8 crore rupees, right? So please tell me what is the sale in 2003. Please tell me 2003 and 2005. Now, in the next C part, we need to compute the difference in the sale of 2002 and 2006. So 2006, it is 8 crores. 2002, it was 4 crores. So difference is 4 crores. 8 minus 4, that is 4, of course. That is why it is 4 crores. So please tell me 2003 and 2005. 7 crore, and anyone else? This 2005, nobody have answered. 2005, nobody have answered. Anyone? 2005, 10 crores. Yes, only one answer I have got. Johan and Sushmita have answered. Man Alam. Okay, so this is how we need to calculate. Okay, in which year was greatest difference between the sales compared to the previous year? So we need to check the sharp increase in the graph. Okay, sharp increase, like 2004 we had 6 crore and 2005 we have 10 crore, so difference is 4 crore. So that is the highest difference, right? Because here also from 4 to 7 it is 3, and here it is 4, so this will be the highest score. We can say 2004 to 2005 is the greatest difference. Okay, understood? Now another type of line graph is this one, in which two of the things two let's say plant A and plant B, two things are compared in a single manner. Okay, two quantities or two things are compared in a single graph. Okay, so here they are asking, the question is, how high was the plant A after 2 weeks? After 2 weeks, okay, this is 1 week, this is 2 weeks. So after 2 weeks, the plant A was 7 centimeter height, right? 7 centimeter height. You can check from the book if it is not visible from this book, from this video. Okay, 7, right? Then after 3 weeks, the plant A is at 9 centimeter height. Plant A is at 9 centimeter height, right? Yes, Nitin, correct. Johan, correct. Next, plant B. For plant B, after 2 weeks, what is the height? It is same, right? Plant B और A दोनों के लिए 2 weeks के बाद same है. But 3 weeks के बाद 3 weeks के बाद we have a difference, because plant A was 9 centimeter, but plant B is having 10 centimeter. Okay, plant B is taller. Okay, Manan Alam sahi hai. All of you are correct. Good. So this is how you need to do this answers. Do you need any explanation for question number 3? Any part? Because I am going to question number 4 directly. Any part you need explanation? Anyone? Any part you need any explanation? Question number 3. Like, how did the plan B grow from the end of second week to the end of third week? So कितना कितना ग्रो हुआ, how much, okay, कितना ग्रो हुआ, you have to calculate. So just subtract. Plant कौन सा था? Plant B. So just subtract 9 and this one is 7. Okay, so just subtract 7 from 9, that is 2 centimeter. Yes, Manan, 2 centimeter, correct. So similarly you can do all the questions. Let's move on to question number 4. I know questions are easy. I'm just making it, you know, मेरी तरफ से जो बोलना है मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ. That's the thing, और कुछ नहीं है. Now, okay, so again we have line graph for two situation, forecast and actual. Okay, one thing is forecasted and one thing is actual. So on which day forecast temperature is same as the actual temperature. So this is same and this is same. We can say Tuesday and Friday. Okay, Tuesday and Friday. Next, we have what is the maximum forecast temperature of the week. So what is the maximum temperature forecast for the week? That is 35 degrees Celsius. This is highest is 35 degrees Celsius, right? This should not be wrong. Okay, मैंने देखा है बच्चे इसमें भी गलती करते हैं. ये सब गलती नहीं होना चाहिए. ये एकदम free के marks है. So this is 35 degrees Celsius both for forecast and actual. The highest temperature is 35 degrees Celsius only in this graph. Okay, and minimum temperature, you can calculate the minimum temperature. Please comment the minimum temperature. Then on which day the actual temperatures differ the most. Okay, in which one the graph is most deviated. Both the graph is far away, like these 2 points are far away, these 2 points are far away, these 2 points are, and these 2 points are. So which is the most deviated graph? So that will be Thursday, right? Because actual temperature is 15, but it was estimated 22.5, kind of 22.5. Okay, so the difference will be more. That is Thursday. Okay, Nitin, it's not Thursday and Friday. Friday तो exact आया है. Friday कैसे होगा? और अगर तुम इसका आंसर दे रहे हो तब भी वो Tuesday और Friday है, वो Thursday और Friday नहीं है. Okay. So I hope it is clear now. Now, question number 5. Let's go to question number 5. Here, using this table, we need to draw a graph, right? Draw a linear graph. Okay. We need to draw a linear graph. So a graph would be something like this. I don't know if the words are visible or not. It will be, I have taken 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. This is temperature. Okay, this is temperature. And this is year. In year, I can say this is 2003. I can start with 2003 because 2003 is the lowest year. 2004, 2005, 2006. Okay, so these 4 years I have taken here. I don't know it is visible or not. A problem actually, that is why I was, you know, the focus is the problem. Okay, so now 2003 the temperature was 8. So 8 means यहाँ कहीं पे होगा. ये जो ग्राफ है इसको भूल जाओ, ठीक है? ये किसी और का बनाया हुआ है इसलिए मैं उसी में एडिट कर रहा हूँ. ये जो 2003 है उसका ग्राफ है ये 8. Point is 8. Okay, now 2004 they are saying it is 10. So 2004 it would be 10. Then 2005 it is 5. So 2010 it is 5. You just have to plot the graph. I know all of you know this. Just मैं एक confirmation दे रहा हूँ कि तुम जो सोच रहे हो वो सही है, ठीक है? और अगर किसी का गलत हो रहा था तो देख लो. So this will be 2 points away. So I have taken 5, 5. You can take 10, 10. Okay, that is not a problem, and just join it and you will get a graph like this. So the graph should be like this. Graph हमेशा ऐसा ही होगा, भले तुम कुछ भी यहाँ पे लो, कुछ भी difference लो, if you are taking the correct difference, always remember जो भी gap ले रहे हो वो बराबर होना चाहिए. This gap should be equal, always equal. ये gap अलग अलग नहीं हो सकता. Understood? This gap cannot be different. This gap will be same always. And अगर यहाँ पे gap अलग है, यहाँ पे नहीं है, because it is 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 5, 10 to 15, everywhere it is 5. If everywhere it is not 5, let's say you have taken 0 to 10, 0 to 100, and then 100 to 110, then you will have to put a kink here. So the kink is not required for this graph, but कुछ भी हो जाए, graph ऐसा ही बनेगा. Graph दिखेगा ऐसा ही. Linear graph जो है वो दिखेगा ऐसा ही. Understood? ठीक है? So since it is not visible, I am not going to do this part. This is actually same line graph, but here we need to draw two things together. Okay, line graph for two of the quantities together. Okay. So now let's go to question number 6. Again, we have a graph and we have a lot of questions on the graph, but this time the question is somewhat technical. Okay, not for the data, they are asking for the technical question, like what is the scale. So we can say 4 boxes is equal to 1 hour. That is our scale, because they are asking scale of time axis, right? So time axis, 4 boxes, 4 square boxes is equal to 1 hour, or we can say one box equal to 1 by 4 hour, something like that. But better you say 4 boxes, 4 units is equal to 1 hour. 4 units equal to 1 hour. Okay, that is our scale. So in this kind of graph, you always have to write the scale. In this kind of graph, you always have to write the scale, because your scale may be different, my scale may be different, everyone's scale will be different, and everyone may be correct also. Okay, different scale are correct also, but you have to mention the scale, otherwise your marks will be deducted. Okay, simple. Now, how much time did the person take for the travel? How much time did the person take for the travel? So he has started from 8 a.m. and he have reached around 11:30 a.m. right? So what is the time difference? Please comment. What is the time difference from 8 a.m. to 11:30 a.m.? Now, how far is the place of merchant from the town? So he have started from 0 to 22 kilometers. So obviously the distance is what? How much is the distance? The total distance will be 22 minus 0, that is 22 only. Okay, let's say here he would have started from 8 kilometers, so it will be 22 minus 8. Okay, now this is 22 minus 0, so this is 22 kilometers only, not 7 hours, because it is 11:30. So 7 hours कैसे होगा? एक तो 30 तो होगा ना कम से कम. Yes, 8, 1, 2, 3.5, 3.5 hours. Okay, 3.5 hours, correct, not 7 hours. Next, did the person stop on his way? Yes, he stopped on his way, because his distance was not increasing while the time was increasing. So from 10 to 10:30, he stopped somewhere. Okay, we can see from the graph. Understood? Yes or no? Did the person stop on his way? Yes, ये हो गया. And during which period this did he ride fastest? Okay, so we need to check the graph, the curve of the graph. Okay, so the more it is slant, the more it will be, distance covered will be more. So this is the first hour. In the first hour from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. he traveled more. Or you can check directly by subtracting everything, like 22 minus 16 and 16 minus 10, or 10 minus 0. So obviously 10 minus 0 will be the highest one. So that is the highest one. Understood? In this question they are asking कौन सा time temperature graph follow कर रहा है? Can there be a time temperature graph follows? Justify. So yes, ये justify हो रहा है, because with time the temperature is increasing. So yes, it is justified. With time the temperature is decreasing. So that is also correct. That can be also a case. But temperature बढ़ रहा है, टाइम रुक गया है, सो टाइम एंड टाइड वेट फॉर नन, ये सबको पता है. सो दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल, दिस ग्राफ इज नॉट पॉसिबल. एंड टाइम के साथ टेम्परेचर इज कांस्टेंट, दैट इज आल्सो पॉसिबल. एक चीज को तुमने थर्मस में रख दिया तो उसका टेम्परेचर कांस्टेंट हो गया है, लेकिन टाइम तो जा ही रहा है, टाइम तो हमेशा जाता रहेगा. सो इट इज करेक्ट. ओके, understood? So this is the end of this exercise. So I will end the video here itself, and I will move on to the next exercise in the next video. Okay, if you understood this one, please like the video. Thank you.